In order to join the Donut SMP Discord server, please open up any web browser like you normally would. You can do this both on an Android device or on an iOS device. For this video, I'm going to go ahead and use Google like I normally would. Anyways, all you want to do is you want to go to the search bar and just look up Donut SMP Discord. Please make sure you have Discord installed on your mobile device, or if you're on a PC, make sure you have Discord installed on your desktop. It is a free to download application. But anyways, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and just select on it just like so. Then it is going to bring you to a page that looks like this. Okay, then it is going to ask you to actually join the Donut SMP. So I'm already part of the Discord server, but more importantly, before you press on go to server, make sure that it is the correct one. You're able to know that it is the correct Donut SMP Discord if there's nearly 700,000 members inside of the Discord and a lot of players online. So just go ahead and press on go to server once you confirm that it is the real Donut SMP. And then once you're over here, all you need to do is you need to verify your account. So you need to go to the left menu. Then you need to go ahead and scroll down and select over here where it says verify. Then you guys are able to go ahead and read through this, and you're able to go ahead and begin verifying your account as well. So if you guys found this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.